So guys, I'm just gonna unbox my new Apple Watch. The good part of 6 months of thinking, and life just keeps passing you by. And I finally did it. I hope I don't regret it. This is the Apple Watch 6 GPS cellular 40 millimeter, 70,000 rupees or 69,900 rupees. It's so funny that I was talking about how this is for 70,000 and somebody just called me and said, "आप कोई बैंक वगैरह provide कराते हैं rent पे?" So this is 69,900 bucks. Okay, this is how it looks from the outside. Let me just admire it and hold it for a second and feel like I've got something new, because it's never gonna be like this again. Now, I'm not wearing a watch today. I have an Apple Watch 2, and what do I say about it? That Apple Watch 2 I purchased for 15,000 rupees from OLX sealed box about 2 or 3 years back, and I used it for about a year odd. And what do I say about the Apple Watch 2? If you have that, it's a great watch. You don't really need to upgrade. I'm upgrading because I don't know. Like I said, 6 months of thinking and not getting anywhere. So you have the seal right here. Very easy enough to open. I don't need a scissor for the same, or scissors, however you say it. Okay. So this is a stainless steel watch. Yes, gold stainless steel. Fancy, I know. I'm excited and also nervous. What if I hate it? This is the band. This is how it comes. This is how it looks. Now, as you know, Apple has taken a lot of money away from me in this life, but I still love them as a company. I think I have a lot of investments in Apple, so I have to like them. This is how it looks. What else do they give? They only give you a little charging cable and no adapter. So you have this. Okay, I'm just gonna unbox this now. Maybe there's a way to do it. Yep. So they don't give an adapter, which I'm trying to be okay with. To be fair, when they don't give the adapter with the iPhone 12 either, and they've never given an adapter, a USB adapter with the watch. I have a bunch of them lying around, but so that's okay. Now they have given me 2 sizes. Let's use the bigger size. So I've got this with the green sports band. I think it's gonna look pretty good. I'm using the medium to large size presently, and I'm just gonna tuck this away and put it back inside here. So, and now we have this little thing. I don't know if there's a correct way to break the seal, but what the hell, man. I'm just gonna tear it open. That's the Apple Watch. That's it. Thank you for watching. Okay, now I'm just gonna wear this. I'm just gonna wear this now. Somebody was coming inside out. Okay. There you go. Wow. Does it suit me? I think it does. So I haven't even set the watch up, but I'm just gonna wear it just to see how it looks around my wrist. If it looks shit, I will tell you it looks shit. Now I know a thing or two about looks, okay? So don't think I'm some chump here. I mean, just bear with me, guys. I'm also wearing a new shirt. Do you like my shirt? New shirt, new watch, new me, man. Just how I roll, dude. Okay, so this band is giving me some trouble. I'll probably fast forward or time lapse this. Switch it on. This is how you switch it on. I like the size. I didn't get the 44 mm because I have small wrists, like girly wrists. Very powerful guy, but I just have girly wrists. I don't know why I keep saying this shit. Okay, it has no battery, which was not expected, to be fair, but come on, we live in India, not Siberia. Found it, it's charging. I've also changed this because the other one was very long. I'm really excited, guys, you have no idea. Let me set this up. So after about 25 minutes, this is saying your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. Okay. So it knows what I've done so far. It's at 47%. Let me charge it a little. Wow. Upgrade from one Apple device to another is that you have something called a confusion, because you're like, why did I upgrade from this Apple Watch to a new one? Or why did I get from this iPhone to the other when it looks the same? And that's because the interface of everything is same. So to really understand the features, it takes quite a long time. Now, yesterday I had a successful 2-minute conversation with somebody using my watch, and that was during the conversation they did ask me what I'm saying is because they couldn't hear me, but I think it was a success, and that's a key reason. I mean, I'm happy, because if I try to do the same thing with my Apple Watch 2, the conversation will not go down very well and they won't be able to hear me as good and all that. Now, another feature this has is that apparently if I don't have my Apple iPhone around, Apple iPhone, who says that? If I don't have my iPhone around, I can probably go for a walk and this watch will behave like a phone. So apparently I can get phones. Now for all of that, you'll have to wait and watch. I think it looks all right. I might be getting some new this thing. One thing I'm not liking is that it does get smudges somewhat very easily. And even though this is a ceramic screen, I think another thing I don't like is that I'm not finding it particularly bright, especially this particular Apple Watch face. It's not very bright. I think they do that because they want to make sure the battery is optimized. And lastly, I've noticed that it has always on display. I've been using this watch all day and I even went for a workout. Let me just show you what my battery is like. Sorry guys, there you go. So I went for a workout today and I got up at around 9 o'clock today. I've been wearing it ever since. It's about 3:45 right now. I'm at 81%. I went to the workout. I did a lot of workout today, by the way. So I've told myself to justify the price of this, I will actually be working out a lot. So I did a 32-minute workout and I've stood for 9 hours, 451 calories lost so far, 4,000 steps. So I went walking to the gym, and at the gym I walked on the treadmill, I did a few push-ups, lost about 160 calories. I don't know why I'm talking about that. But yeah, 81% for 3:41 p.m. is pretty good. Now, I'll be happy if I have a 1 or 2 day battery life. Is that a deal maker for me? Well, let's see. Ideally, I want to keep this watch for 2 years. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. I really kick ass. Oof, I shouldn't have said that. I'm okay. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.